Parliament cigarettes debuted in 1931, featuring a recessed filter designed to enhance comfort and minimize harshness for smokers. This innovative design gained traction in the 1950s, aligning with consumer preferences for filtered cigarettes. Old Gold cigarettes, which first appeared in 1926, became renowned for their rich flavor and distinctive filter tip design. Despite changes in ownership and market challenges, the brand continues to hold a significant legacy in the cigarette industry. Lucky Strike, introduced in 1871, transformed the cigarette landscape with its unique toasted tobacco flavor. This distinct manufacturing process not only differentiated it from competitors, but also solidified its popularity and lasting reputation. In 1978, the American Tobacco Company transferred international rights to Lucky Strike to Brown and Williamson, culminating in a merger with R.J. Reynolds in 2004. This transition notably influenced the brand's market presence. Terran cigarettes launched in 1954, positioning themselves as a premium offering with a unique taste and filter design. However, they faced a decline in popularity due to rising health concerns. Introduced in 1953, L&M cigarettes aim to provide high-quality smoking at an affordable price. Their effective marketing strategies, including attention-grabbing packaging, contributed to their sustained popularity over time. The launch of Pall Mall cigarettes in 1939 represented a significant milestone in the industry, introducing the first king-size variant to consumers. This innovation appealed to smokers seeking a larger product. Throughout the years, Pall Mall adapted to changing consumer preferences by updating packaging and formulations while retaining its core appeal. This adaptability has allowed the brand to maintain its market position. The brand's acquisition history is marked by significant sales to major companies, including American Tobacco and R.J. Reynolds, which have bolstered its ongoing presence in the market. Chesterfield cigarettes were the first brand to directly target women, famously promoting their product with the slogan, "Blow some my way." This strategic marketing approach played a crucial role in the brand's early success. Introduced in 1927, Herbert Turton cigarettes set themselves apart with smoother draws due to their core tip design. Nonetheless, the brand eventually faded from the market in light of advertising restrictions. Valor cigarettes, launched in 1968, catered to menthol smokers with their refreshing flavor but struggled to carve out a sustainable market presence. Attempts to reposition the brand as a value option in the 1990s ultimately fell short. Raleigh cigarettes, introduced in 1925, gained traction through innovative promotional strategies, including redeemable coupons. However, the brand faced discontinuation following a merger in 2004. Avalon cigarettes were positioned as an economical alternative starting in 1921, but after their reintroduction in 1963, they failed to maintain market presence, leading to their eventual discontinuation. Introduced in 1967, Silva Thins targeted smokers looking for a refined experience with their slim profile. Unfortunately, increased tobacco regulations led to the brand's discontinuation. Salem menthol cigarettes emerged in 1956 as the first filter-tipped menthol brand, with marketing emphasizing a refreshing springtime smoking experience that appealed to many consumers. The brand's marketing strategies included outreach to younger smokers and sponsoring events like the Hong Kong Open, which strengthened its competitive position in the market. Marley cigarettes, introduced in 1966, sought to provide a healthier alternative with ultra-low tar filters. However, they faced increasing scrutiny and were ultimately discontinued in 2006 due to health concerns.